my name is Kathy Davis. I'm an attorney in Brownsburg, Indiana. We're a small law firm. We focus in the areas of real estate and small business matters. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how we decided to open the firm, the decisions that went into that, and where we're at now and where our plan is to be going. Back in 2012, I was working for a large firm downtown. I was actually working for an engineering firm managing a regulatory department, and I wasn't very happy. I didn't feel like I spent enough time with my kids. I felt like I spent a lot of time on the road, and I also felt like I had to compromise a lot of my own decision-making abilities in order to make the client happy. And we all who have worked for big companies know that sometimes we do, in fact, have to make those compromises. We have to do what's best for the company as opposed to what we might personally want to do. And that's part of working for a big company and part of the trade-off of having that regular salary. However, I decided I didn't feel like compromising anymore. So in the summer of 2012, I decided I was going to open my own firm starting in 2013, and my husband and I took some steps to start planning for that eventuality, from both financial, in terms of savings and paying off additional debt, and also in terms of spacing out the expenses we knew would be part of the startup, such as licensing fees, malpractice insurance, and taking the time to set up separate business accounts, things like that. So in January, I did start my own firm, and I had, at the very beginning, I have to admit, it was a little frightening jumping off the cliff, because there wasn't any work for the first month. But in February there was a lot more work. In March there was even more work, and at that point I jumped off the cliff completely and quit my part-time job at that point and went full-time working for my law firm. However, 11 days after I did that, my husband's employer laid him off. And one of my friends, Scott Manning, has said that I am a girl on fire. Well, I will tell you why I'm on fire. When I learned that it was very possible that I might be the sole source of income for my entire family, I decided it was time to do everything I could that could possibly earn money, which means that all of my interests in speaking, in writing, as well as in representing clients in a number of different areas, I tried to focus all of my energy on them all at the same time. It has been a very exhausting few months. However, I'm definitely seeing the return in terms of my clients coming in the door and being able to feel like we are turning into a self-supporting business. What I wanted to talk about next, though, was my passion, which is one of the big reasons why I did open my own business. My passion is truly helping people. It's helping businesses get off the ground and helping them, the owners of those businesses, structure those businesses to protect themselves, to protect their families, and also to really just see their dreams grow. I enjoy working hand in hand with the business owners to do that so that they see me more as an advisor and a consultant as opposed to somebody they come to when they're in trouble. It's much easier to help somebody if you know what the problems are early in the process as opposed to when there's a lawsuit pending. So all of this is relating to my business now as I try and pull together my pieces and see where I'm going. Up until now, I have focused mainly on transactional clients. Transactional clients would be here. This is me. Transactional clients. Transactional clients would be those folks that I prepared their articles of incorporation, their operating agreements. I've done a one-time review of a contract. I've basically done one thing that takes one time to complete the task. My goal now is to make those transactional clients more of relational clients. In other words, I'm working on trying to get the people that have come to me for one or two questions to now come to me whenever they have a question so that I can help them prevent the problems before they become a problem in the future. And so this is pretty much where we're going right now. My goal is to bring people in and help them out on that one transaction in hopes that they will get such good service the first time that they will become a long-term client. So thank you for listening to me today, and Kathy Davis, KJD Legal. Thank you.